Banquet manager coordinates and manages all events, conferences, and banquets held at the hotel. Works with the clients to plan and execute events, including menus and setups. Manages banquet staff, including servers, setup crew, and coordinators. Ensures timely service and adherence to event schedules. Monitors budgets and ensures profitability for events. Coordinates with the kitchen and other departments for seamless execution. Room service manager oversees the hotel's room service operations to ensure timely and high-quality services. Manages room service staff, including order taker and delivery personnel. Ensures food and beverage are delivered promptly and correctly. Addresses guest complaints and ensures service recovery. Monitors room service revenues and control costs. Trains staff on guest services standards.